Ka Saint Mary Mazzarello Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai, mentagasngi at popratrik jong penai jembang arja arpoar, kala penlong ya ke annual meet jong ki past people, haka bakito ki bala jupule mensua, lene ki bala pas nakan ka school, kilayawan krui banyak kendolang kum kawai ke yeng kasem. Haka ne kasngi la don shibon ki program baper pad hang ningin sakhi ya ke jing yale kemen baka jing job jong kane kasngi.
Not mention that here today. So, I would like to introduce myself first of all. My name is Dahurman Mary Hadem. I am the daughter of Kong Valiant Rose, as most people might know her. So, she is the president of the Past People Association, but due to some urgency and unavoidable circumstance, she could not be present here today. So here I am standing as one of the past pupils of this school. So I passed out about my school days. I passed out in the year 2006. I completed my 10th from this school, and I started my schooling in the year 1994. So I have had most part of my life spent in this school, like most of us. So from the time, from my childhood days till my early teenage years, I was here in this school. So it's a big experience. So I may not have many memories of the school, but I do have two fond memories that I have from being a part of this school. But the most favorite part for me would be the assembly part. When sisters would, every time during the assembly, after the prayers are done, sister would always give us some kind of moral stories. So I always enjoy that. It is something for me to take back.
With my kids and all my past pupils, seniors and juniors. I cannot express my happiness to stand here. That's what I was telling Madam Rimaya. When I was a kid, I've been standing here and I thought the stage was so huge, like a big stage, you know. And today I found it so small. And then she told me, no, at that time actually your life revolved around this school only. So this stage is the biggest stage. Yeah, I still remember it was so big, and I cannot imagine, like when I look at the people down below when I was in this stage, like it was a different experience. And today it is different, but I still have the same feeling when I see the faces around. So I'm really thankful for being here today. And I don't have much to say, but I just want to share my experiences. I was here when I was since 1980 till 1989. So I gave my matric in 89. Since then I left the school, and once I had come once or twice, I just paid a visit, and once during the school fete I came. So, but for formal program, today is the first day after 33 years. So in these 33 years, I have not changed as a person. I still feel I am the same student, I am still the same Dorothy.
the identity of the association, how it originated and who started this association. Next slide. You have heard Sister Rusina mention in her speech, the idea came from Don Bosco himself. He said, I have already another project that will mature in the next 2 years. Once the existence of the Salesian cooperators is assured, I will put it out. I could almost say it would be a third order for women. However, not aggregated to us, but associated with the daughters of Mary, Help of Christians. So Don Bosco gave the idea about the association of the past pupils. The adventure starts with the ex-oratorians of the first oratory of the FMA, wanted by Don Bosco in 1875 at Valdovo in Turin. Therefore, the past people started first with the ex-oratorians, not much the students. So it started first with the ex-oratorians.
I'm not here to give you a speech, I'm just here to give you a short message. You have been sitting here for 1.5 hours. Do you realize that? You have been witnessing so many testimonies of the greatness of the FMA's sisters. And I am also want to join you also to testify about the greatness of the Salesian sisters. Okay, I begin my message with the words of Don Bosco himself. A grateful child is a holy child. I believe you are all holy in your own way, because the very fact that you are here to show your gratefulness to your alma mater is that you are holy. I say you are holy because you all come here to show your gratefulness to your alma mater. As I was standing there in the veranda before entering inside, I could see the excitement and the joy of all of you, young students, old, young past pupils, old past pupils, sisters, and we are also excited. We are so excited to be yourself and carry your identity and live up to the values that you were taught in the school. Remember, our association is our association. Our association, not the sisters' association, okay? Sisters are there behind us. They are like the caretakers to guide us when we have any problems. But remember, my dear past pupils, it is our association. So it is we who have to be in the front line, in all the activities of the past people. Do not wait for the sisters to direct us. Do not wait for the sisters to tell us do this and do that. We are the owners of our own association, and we should be in the front line. In line with Sister Rosina, who said that sisters cannot go everywhere. In the last assembly of the past people, where all the past people from all units came together, we have adopted this theme, reach the unreached. What is the meaning of that? Reach the unreached means that we should be the right hands and the left hands and the legs and the feet of the sisters, to be where the sisters cannot be, to do what the sisters cannot do.
and always am moved to see. You dear past peoples, you shine like stars. Stars shine at night, not during the day. And when the time comes to shine, they shine brightly and gorgeously with the lamp sparkling on their faces. But you, my dear past people, shine not only during the night, but during the day, at your workplaces and the offices. People see you have a special countenance, a gentle, responsible, and dedicated to your mission. We are proud of you. We feel happy and proud to see you growing up gracefully, smart, intelligent, competent, and qualified young ladies. It's the joy of the mother seeing her daughters growing up and striving to become the best version of themselves, holding positions and responsibilities in our country, in our region, and in our state, influencing the thought patterns, contributing your share to liberate our world from corruption, discrimination, superstition, injustice, violence, and various other evils. We firmly believe that you have the power. You can make a difference by the integrity of your lives, by your commitment to live by the principles and values you were taught. By raising your...
Then Sister Madonna, our unit delegate, sister delegate, together with the council members of the past pupils of the Jowai unit, who had sat for a meeting and made this day a wonderful day today. So I'm thankful, especially to Kong Tina, Kong Didi. Really, I cannot say any words because they are the one who always push me up, would always tap me on my shoulder, because you know that I think most of you knows my weak character, which I get angry very easily, and then they are the one who always behind me to help me in the journey as the secretary of the association of the Jowai unit. Thank you very much, Superior, Sister Madonna, and to my dearest senior past pupils who are always there with us, Kong Elizabeth, Kong Sophia, and then many others. They are always there with us. I'm so much really very privileged to be in their midst, working together for many years, so to say. And I'm thankful to Father Gilbert, who is no more with us now. He has left because he has to go to Shillong, for being available to be with us and for celebrating the Eucharistic celebration this morning. And I'm thankful to Sister Superior Rosina. As soon as I called her, you know, I felt like if Sister Rosina is not here, I would feel that our past pupils in Mazzarello will be empty and will not be up to the full, really, Sister, to tell you the truth. Because I have experienced many years living together with her, and she has also she had formed us, many of us here, like Dr. Maria is here, Miss Diana, many of us, Dorothy, Mrs. Rimaya, and many of us, really, I could say that, like, so to say, we are a little bit flagship of the school, but even then now we are doing so well in the society. So we owe much to them, to the sisters. So thank you very much, Sister Superior, for this wonderful presence of yours and for giving us the beautiful reflection on the theme, to do everything through love. Yes, that is what really each one of us has to give, to be the heart of the others. We are past pupils, we have learned so much from this school, so we have to be the heart to all those whom we meet. Let us give our love to all those who need us, like what Miss Damun has said so well and have given us a lot of examples. She is one of the living examples, I can tell you. I know many things about what she is doing or what she is doing So we are the past pupils who have learned so much, and we will give also what we have learned and what we are having carrying with us in the family members, in society. Let us give what we have received from the school. I'm very thankful to Sister Mary for sharing us about the structure of the past pupils. Sister Madonna for the I'm going up and down, please don't mind, for giving us the warm welcome speech at the beginning, and then for Mama Martelis, the identity of the past people, that we should be the right hand and the left hand of the sisters. The association is ours, not theirs, so we have to carry out our duties as the past people.